Hi guys, my name's Mitz and I'm going to show you how to get to the audio section in Canva so you can add sound effects. Now I'm just going to add a sound effect on this intro here because it's silent at the moment. So sometimes you may find a link to the audio in this menu here, but it isn't there for me, so I don't know why. So I'm going to go to apps and then type in audio in the search bar, and there it is there. So press on that one, and now we can search in audio for what we want. So I was just going to put any little sound, like a swishing sound. Let's just type that and see what comes up. Now we can press on play and demo. They're very quiet. Alright, what else can we have? They're a little bit quiet for me. I'll try this swoosh. Just press swoosh or whoosh transition. Let's have a look at that. Seems to be some of those. Whoa, that's scary. Okay. Oh, okay. Actually, I like that one. That'll do. So where do I want that to go? I'll just go back here. I want it to go in here. So I'm going to make sure that that is selected there, that little line. See that there? That's where the position is, and hopefully it will put it in there. So which one was it? Let's test it. I think it was that one. Yeah, it looks like that one there. So just drag it down with your left, hold your left mouse button in. Now it's there. Right, let's start. Oh God, it's weird, isn't it? Now it's not very long, so if you just say you wanted to, you could just simply click on it and duplicate the track and it'll go for twice as long, but we've got to see how it sounds because there's a gap in between. So I quickly added another one and I just realized you can just click on it. So just say I wanted to chop that smaller part out. So I want to get the line on whatever I want to chop. So let's go like this and then right click on that little one and say split the audio. And now I've got this big chunk and this little chunk separate. And I'm just going to move that away so I can delete that one. Okay, now this is just the standard audio and then I'm putting it back in. Now I'm just going to play that. It's a bit much maybe, but I just want to show you how to split the audio if you wanted to. Instead of trying to shrink it to a perfect size or whatever. I am going to delete a couple of those because I don't really need them, but you can go and find all sorts of audio in there. So as I said, look at that, now I've got an audio button in there which I didn't have before. So it's obviously putting things in there that I use, which I haven't used hardly at all, but anyway, so now I can just press audio. But for the first time, you'll have to go to apps and look for it. So now I can search the audio and yeah, you can look for something interesting and they've got all sorts of things. Pop, I don't know. I thought it was going to be there's a bubble pop. So let's, okay. Water bubbles popping. Ooh. So, sounds like a bit of a gurgling pipe. So anyway, there's a lot of different ones there, so you can go through it. Alright, I hope that helps you add a special sound effect to your video. Okay, thanks for watching.